Hello guys, welcome to Math Times 11.
Oh, hello guys. Welcome to Self Help Maths Academy. That was my son. So now let's continue our discussion from the multiplication of matrices. So we will take up when we can multiply or when we can do the multiplication of two matrices A and B. So the product of two matrices A and B is defined when the number of columns of A matches the number of rows of B. So that means likewise how we do the matrix addition and subtraction, we cannot do the same way. Here, like say for example, A is of order 2 cross 2 and B is also of order 2 cross 2, then we can do the multiplication. Means same order matrices can be multiplied. But in general, that matrix multiplication is possible when the number of columns of A matches the number of row of B. That means the number of columns of the first matrix, the number of columns of the first matrix, it should be matching with the number of rows of the second matrix, say B. So if I have M cross N matrix, A is a M cross N matrix, then my B must be of order N cross P. You can observe the number of columns of the first matrix is matching with the number of row of the second matrix. If that is the case, then we can multiply both the matrices. Then the resultant matrix will be of order M cross P. Alright, in general, the number of columns of the first matrices should match with the number of row of the second matrices, and the resultant matrix will be of order M cross P. So now let's see, in this example, A is of order 2 cross 3, means there are 2 rows and 3 columns, and B is of 3 rows and 2 columns. You can observe that here I have 3 columns. So 3 columns means the number of columns in this particular matrix is matching with the number of rows of this matrix. So alright, so I have A matrix and I have B matrix, which is 2 cross 3 and 3 cross 2 matrices. The number of column here is matching with the number of row here, hence I can do the multiplication. So the multiplication we will go with the row to column wise. Alright, now you can observe, I'll multiply here 1 into 7. I can see 1 into 7 plus 2 into 9 plus 3 into 11. Means I am multiplying row element into the corresponding column element, along with you can see the addition symbol in between. So 1 into 7 plus 2 into 9 plus 3 into 11 will give me the first row, first column element. Similarly, now you go for the first row into the second column. So 1 into 8 plus 2 into 6 plus 3 into 3. Okay. And that will give you the first row and second column element. Similarly, 4 times of 7, then I'm going for the second row, first column. That is 4 times of 7 plus 5 times of 9 plus 6 times of 11. That will give me the second row, first column element. Then similarly, second row, second column will give me 4 times of 8 plus 5 times of 6 plus 6 times of 3 will give me the second row and second column element. So after doing all the calculations, after adding and multiplying, I'm getting the final answer as 58, 29, 139 and 80. You can observe the resultant matrix is of order 2 cross 2. So that means here you can see 2 cross 2 is the resultant matrix. That's how we are going to do the multiplication.